Hi everybody. It's a funny thing. We're in Basel, Switzerland, and we're going to the balcony. This is where the parents of my wife, my wife's parents live, and the weather totally sucks. Typical Swiss weather. See, walkers there with a cap, with a rain jacket. Me, I'm all with my t-shirt. It's still going. It's not so cold actually. It's quite good. And this is a good apartment because you're right out in the green, although it's in the middle of the city, so it has the feeling of being in the forest or something. Hey, Karina. Yeah, this is the camera. This is my mother's wife. Yes, no, my wife's mother. Something like that.
No.
And I want to show you this video. Well, this is a bathroom, a Swiss bathroom. Hello, with a mirror. It's a bedroom. You know, and then like the hallway, and I just want to. Then there's like a dining area, and the living room. While the father's sleeping. It's another balcony here. There's a school. Right, this is Basel Gundeli. Yeah, the weather's not much better here, right? So let's go inside. Yeah, and the reason for this video is the following. Recently, I have received 100,000 subscribers, right? So there's a kitchen, by the way, a Swiss kitchen. Well, it's very low key here, although it's quite spacious still, right? A Swiss clock up there, and yeah, so the 100,000 subscribers, is that going to be a difference? Am I going to be rich now? Am I going to make $1 million now? Not no, probably not. It's been like almost a month since I have 100,000 subscribers, and it's not 200,000 yet, so it's going very slowly. Without moonshine, it's going very slowly. This is my wife's old bedroom, like when she grew up here. Kind of like it's a bit barren, a bit empty. It's more like her mother. She does lots of crafting, so she has lots of these. There's only the two of them left here, so they have a large apartment with lots of space to craft. But anyway, I want to show you my play button. This is it. So let's unpack that thing. The play button. Got scissors. Let's open that up on each side. I have not unpacked this. This is actual unpacking video. And I always thought about one day I'll make an unpacking video, but all I can think of now is when do I get the next play button, which will be a million subscribers. Then I have the next one, the gold one. So this is the silver one. Next one will be on YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber? I don't actually. Your 100? No. Your 1,000? No. Chances are you do. No, I don't. And we know that you definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Do I? No, that's true. Your fans maybe have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up, blah, 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 blah. To honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Well, thank you, YouTube. Know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Well, thank you, Mr. Mohan. Thank you for this nice award. And here it is. That is the silver, but that's pretty cool actually. Moonshine and lemon. Oh, can you see that? Let's unpack that. Really do the unpacking when you say it's an unpacking video. Check it out. Oh wow. We got it, right? Can you see that? Hopefully. Hopefully the light is not playing tricks on me. Presented to Moonshine and Lemongrass for passing 100,000 subscribers. Yeah! Yeah, well, that's kind of cool, I must say. Quite impressive, isn't it? And does it? No, that's it. It does not open more. That's it. So, yeah. Do I feel a difference? No, I do not. Yeah, there's so many things that going around, like myths. Let's call them myths. Urban legends that, like, once you've reached 100,000 subscribers, your videos will be shown more, will be suggested more, and blah, nah, 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 nah. None of it is true. It just keeps happening like it's happening. Did I make $1 million? No. Unfortunately, I'm making some money, but not like, not overwhelming, you know. It's not like Mr. Beast. I'm no bald and bankrupt. I am no PewDiePie or whatever, you know, the big ones. I'm not one of them, but that's okay. Like, complaining again, you know. Yeah, so we're here in Basel now, Switzerland. We just arrived a few days ago. We've been eating a lot and drinking a lot and not enjoying the weather a lot. And I'll do a few things, including going to the carnival here in Basel. I'll make a video with like the biggest carnival that you could actually imagine. It's it's a UNESCO World Heritage Carnival. You know, it's not only cities that are UNESCO. It also has some events like Basel's Fasnacht Carnival. So we'll check that out. And then, you know, look around a little bit and then we're leaving again. Back to finishing that Indian series. And then we'll go somewhere else. And I'll tell you about that. Is it?
Can I hold it?
You can.
Ah.
It's pure gold.
Is dat in dem pakket den ik zie?
Yeah, that's my awards.
Aber wat kan je met dem maken?
Just an award.
Yeah, my mother-in-law is asking what you can do.
Weet je, dat hoeft henken aan mijn hoofd.
Will the award to anyone is interested, like the flowers, the plants, the carnival that do there. My mother-in-law does not care. That's okay. To celebrate, I'll having a coffee with this very Swiss coffee machine that even Roger Federer is making commercials about. Need some stereotypes, of course. Swiss milk to celebrate. Celebrate that award. Cheers, guys. Well, that's one of the good things being in Switzerland. You know, like the coffee is really good. I mean, that coffee machine is really, really good. Good as in Italy, but you know, where it's just, that's a neighbor country, right? So it can't be bad. Anyway, bye, 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 bye. Yeah. You're working. See, my son is writing something. You don't want to share, but he's. No, don't worry, it's good. No, this is it's a good place for them to craft and do things. And yeah, they have the garden there, so. Yeah, I don't wanna make long apartment videos. Staying here. Well, we'll stay here sometimes, you know, when we're here, but mostly we stay with my friends. I'll show you that apartment. We don't have our own apartment, or usually would have stayed with my parents, with my mother. But they're both gone now. Well, for a while now, but still, we're still used to be coming home to my mother, and you know, and a lot more action there. And my wife is just making a cake. Are you making a cake?
I'll try. If we have everything.
Yeah, see, that's like the Swiss way. We'll make cake. We don't eat much cake, but we'll make them for the kids. Guys, take good care. And watch out for the next videos. There'll be some India videos first. And then there'll be some other videos. And there'll be a couple of Swiss videos. And then we'll start creating different kinds of videos. I will. I mean, of course, I'm the one creating the videos. And yeah. So there'll be lots of new stuff. Justifying the next 200,000 and the next 1 million subscribers, hopefully. Okay, guys. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Right.
Bye-bye.
It's yummy.
I know it's yummy.
I'm so
You're-
happy having an oven.
Yeah, that's a cool thing. You don't have ovens. In Asia.
Oh, okay.
I know, it doesn't work.
Put that fat in
Perfect.
there.
Yeah, just maybe here.
Kleine Fisch.
Hey.
Yes.
All right. See, that's $1 million here.